channel. So I know this is a very different intro but I'm actually leaving for a family function right now, and you guys always ask about these videos and makeup videos, and your wish is my command. So here it goes. I've done a really basic makeup tutorial and I hope you guys enjoy and learn something. I am no beauty guru. I've learned everything on YouTube and I've started doing it on my own. It takes practice obviously. So if you want to learn this, keep on watching. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, I'm going to moisturize my face. You can use any moisturizer, it works the same. And then I'm going to use a primer. A primer is a must, you guys. I recently started using a primer and it's like magic. It makes your makeup stay for so long, hide your pores as well, and it makes a clean base so that your makeup sits well and stays for long. And then I am using this same fixing spray on my beauty blender and I'm blending it. You can even use a brush, works the same. Blend, 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 blend. Don't forget your neck, guys. Never forget your neck. And then I'm using this concealer from Urban Decay. I also love Maybelline's concealer. You can use that too. And I'm applying it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and I'm doing some random strokes here and there. I don't know, it works for me. And I'm singing a random song. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the sponge and I'm going to blend it. After it's all done, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This palette is so good, you guys. It has all the colors and it works really well for my skin as well. Then I'm taking this light shade. As you guys can see, it's almost gone. I'm using this shade and I'm using a brush to lightly apply it under my eyes. And now I'm going to contour my face. I don't really do this step on a daily basis, but sometimes I do. So I'm just going to take this dark shade and I'm applying it under my cheekbones. And then you know the drill, blend, blend, blend. Even I am learning, guys. There are days when I don't like my makeup and I'm still learning. So just practice, practice, practice. And then I'm checking myself in the mirror to see that both the sides are similar. Even I'm not perfect. You just have to do it again and again and again so that you get better at it. So I'm just blending it. Then I'm using this pencil and I don't usually fill my brows that much. I'm just using it where I have a huge scar, so I'm using it there. And then I'm using this brow gel from Essence, which is really good. I've been using this for almost 5 years now. Then I'm using the Morphe palette, guys. It's really good. I got it from Skin Foods on Instagram. Then so I'm using this brown shade on my crease and I use this fluffy brush जो मैंने Amazon से लिया था. So you can get it anywhere. I'll keep the link in the description box below. Then I'm using this red orangish shade and I really love playing with warm tones and reds and oranges. So I've used that too and I'm applying it. I'm going to take this brush, this flat brush, and I'm going to use some fixing spray so that the glitter sticks. I'm applying it on my lids, as you guys can see. After I'm done with the glitter, I'm using this brown shade. I'm just using it in the outer corner to just give some depth. And then I'm blending. I'm using the same brush that I used for the orange and brown shade before. There's no rule, you guys. You just I didn't even know that मैं आज ये वाला makeup look करने वाली हूँ. You just try, you just see क्या अच्छा लग रहा है क्या नहीं अच्छा लग रहा. So you just keep on going and trying different colors and different shades. And then I'm using this, I don't know the name of the shade, but this yellowish mustardy brown, light brown shade. And this is just to clean everything out, and I'm applying it on my crease. And then I'm using this brown shade. Wow, so many browns. And then I'm using this brown shade and I'm applying it on my lower lash line. And after that, I'm using this Maybelline Kajal and I'm just lining my eyes. I just applied some Kajal on my upper lash line and then I'm blending it using the same brush. It gives a really soft, smoky eye look, so I really like that. Then I'm using it on my lower lash line and I'm smudging it. I'm smudging the Kajal even more. And then after it's all done, I'm going to use some mascara. But before that, don't forget to curl your lashes. It makes a huge difference, you guys. And I've been using Maybelline's mascara for a really long time now, but I tried this one from Lakme and it's so good. As you guys can see the difference. And then I'm using my favorite thing, my highlighter. I love highlighters, you guys. I'm using this cream highlighter first. And I'm applying it on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow, and the tip of my nose as well. Don't forget that. And then I'm doing this weird thing. And I forgot to apply powder highlighter, so I went ahead with some blush from L'Oreal and apply it on the bridge of my nose. It makes a difference, guys. Please try that and let me know. And then I'm using this lip shade from Jeffree Star. It's in the shade Leo. To finish it off, I'm using my MAC fixing spray and I'm done. And I'm just moving out of frame so that you guys can see the final look. For hair, I didn't do much because I like messy hairstyles a lot and I'm very alsi, as you guys know, so that's also a reason. Actually, that's the main reason. So I've just used a dry shampoo and then I've used the curling iron to curl a few pieces. And yeah, that's my look. Also guys, I felt my lipstick was a bit too dark, so I went ahead and I've used Velvet Teddy from MAC and I've applied it on top of it to make it lighter. So yeah, that's my final look and I'm just doing some weird poses to show you guys my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.